This is a video of my jeans. This is an update video on my Nudie Jeans Dry Heavy Selvedge. You can see 5 years of wear, and as you can see, they were really damaged, so they've had a few repairs. I also experimented a bit with colored threads and inside and outside patches. After 150 wears, I gave them one soak. After that, I've worn them for another 100 days, and then I washed them on 50 degrees. After this, I wash them on a regular base. I think they've been washed around 20 times now, sometimes even on 60 degrees. The harder you treat them, the more color they lose and the more beat up they become. I don't do this to all my jeans, but this one is my personal experiment, so to say. These jeans don't have the regular orange thread on the back pockets, but a blue indigo-dyed thread, which also shows some serious fades. The lines are turning white almost. This model is the Tin Finn, but I've had them tapered since the beginning because I like my jeans to be tighter around the ankles. Every time I wear these jeans, it got me thinking, damn denim,